अस्सलाम जी, ये बहरिया एनक्लेव सेक्टर ए है और ये एंट्री बर्ड एवरी। तो स्कूल जितने भी हैं इधर इस्लामाबाद के, वो स्कूल वाले और कॉलेज वाले वो लोग यहाँ विज़िट कर सकते हैं बहरिया एनक्लेव में। ये यहाँ परिंदे हैं, जानवर हैं और बड़ी खूबसूरत जगह है बहरिया एनक्लेव। मोर तो बाहर रोड पर ही फिरते रहते हैं, आप यहाँ आएंगे तो परिंदों और जानवरों को देखेंगे। तो बड़ी इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस। सो आई इन्वाइट ऑल द स्कूल्स ऑफ इस्लामाबाद to visit Bahriya Enclave and see the bird aviary. So it will be a good chance for the children, the small children, kids and nursery kids. They can come here, they can enjoy. They can get information about the birds. The information is written on the board outside the every cage, and there are open birds also. There are so many peacocks around. On the streets you will find at least 12 peacocks are there. So please visit Bahriya Enclave every. Next time when you have leave, please bring the children here. It's a place worth seeing. Thank you very much. My name is Mumtaz Khan. Please subscribe my channel. It's a beautiful place, and credit goes to Riaz Malik Sahab, who has given thousands of jobs to the laborers and professionals in Bahriya Enclave, in Karachi, in Lahore, in Islamabad, everywhere. So the credit goes to Riaz Malik Sahab. We can never forget him. He is a legend. Riaz Malik is our legend, and he has done a great job. Actually, the states, the country, the governments, they develop such things. The town planning is best, and there is no snatching of the plots here. If you will purchase a plot, it will be secure, it will computerized, the data will computerized. So good chance for to still, if you buy in Bahriya Enclave, the people who are living abroad, they can purchase a plot in Bahriya Enclave. Thank you and welcome to Bahriya Enclave Islamabad, Bahriya Enclave Karachi, Bahriya Enclave Peshawar and Bahriya Enclave Lahore. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.